0 feet altitude. 5 feet distance. 0 miles per hour. 99% battery.
I'm out here at the cemetery trying to fly a mission, but possibly I'll have to abort because of the wind. It wasn't windy when I left, it just like picked up. So I'm doing the low level flight again. I may or may not be able to finish it, we'll see. But I won't lose connection, so I can bring it back at any time.
96 feet altitude. 623 feet distance. 19 miles per hour. 94% battery.
See if the hood rats are around today, probably. They like it when the sun is out, down. It's about 4 o'clock. The sun will be setting shortly. It should be good to go down here, but when I get up past the open field, I'll probably hit some wind. I refined this mission a little bit. Made it a little longer.
Feet altitude. 2022 feet distance. 15 miles per hour. 90% battery.
When I get out past here, it may start hitting the wind and slowing down. It's doing 26 now. That's what's programmed. So we'll see. If anything, it's flying into the wind right now. Here, it's turning. Probably have to get in the car. All here's wind noise on my microphone, which is my GoPro camera.
50 feet altitude. 1971 feet distance. 13 miles per hour. 85% battery.
Decent speed. It's going a little slower than it could be, but I'm not high either. That makes a difference. And where I'm standing, it's windy, but I'm in the open field, so the good thing is that any part of this mission I can come back, because I won't lose contact, and it's not that far. It's really going in a big ass huge circle.
Feet altitude. 3,142 feet distance. 10 miles per hour. 79% battery.
Once it makes it around this turn here, it'll be the wind will be behind it, so it'll cruise back. I had to raise the altitude over around here because a couple of weeks ago I did this. It was windy and it stopped moving forward right around where that big green tree is, and the wind was pushing it into the fucking tree because it was low. So I raised the altitude to 100 feet now.
110 feet altitude. 4,112 feet distance. 10 miles per hour. 75% battery.
Kind of a rule of thumb I use is I give 100 feet for the trees. You know, some may be a little taller, but for the most part, they're not. I can't control the camera on this one. Good focus, I believe. I'm starting to get a choppy picture because it's at the furthest point of the mission. Feeling the raindrops. It's starting to sprinkle.
111 feet altitude. 4,996 feet distance. 18 miles per hour. 70% battery.
The little rain won't hurt it. I got stuck in a thunderstorm once. That was a fucking not cool. The drone was fine. I got fucking saturated. So now I got the tailwind and that's going at 26 miles an hour. It's going to cut over the orchard here. I'm just going to get in the car because of the wind. Put the heat on.
$120 feet altitude. 3,602 feet distance. 24 miles per hour. 65% battery.
This is the edge of the orchard.
121 feet altitude. 2,912 feet distance. 26 miles per hour. 60% battery.
Oh, the fucking wind is hitting the gimbal. Gotta straighten it out. It's messing my picture up.
Recording stopped. Recording started. 121 feet altitude. 1,419 feet distance. 9 miles per hour. 56% battery.
Yeah, the wind is fucking with the gimbal. Last time that happened, I lost about 30 seconds of video. That's the second time that's happened. It's the wind. Now it's slowing down. So I'm going to take over.
Mission ended. 7 feet altitude. 579 feet distance. 27 miles per hour. 51% battery.
Yeah, the rest of the mission would have been just pretty much going over these fields here and coming back. I didn't see any hood rats out. That's weird.
(130 feet altitude. 1,859 feet distance. 27 miles per hour. 41% battery. (165 feet altitude. 1,670 feet distance. 9 miles per hour. 35% battery.
It's got to be pretty cool having an apple orchard in your yard. I'm hungry. I'll go outside and get an apple.
(167 feet altitude. 1,374 feet distance. 19 miles per hour. 28% battery.
I'll bring him back.
Warning, aircraft battery at 25%.
15 minutes flight, not too bad. There was a freshly dug grave over there a couple of days ago.
Battery at 23%. 321 feet altitude. 573 feet distance. 22 miles per hour. 21% battery.
Yeah, we got some shitty weather coming in. As soon as I can turn, I'll turn.
Warning, aircraft battery at 20%.
There we go, it's landing now. Eagle looking sky, huh?
Warning, aircraft battery at 18%. 62 feet altitude. 0 feet distance. 2 miles per hour. 18% battery.
That thing's bebopping in the wind.
Warning, aircraft battery at 15%.
Alright. Yep, windy. Got windy. Anyways, decent flight. Could have done without the fucking wind, but who am I to
Warning, aircraft battery
fuck
at
with nature?
13%.
Anyways, Tito about.